All right. Well, this is Brian Hagney, and I am working on Powie McCutesie. And I think what I'm going to do right now is do the furniture blockout. So I'm gonna just drag that in progress. Did I actually? Let me just click this and actually see if I edited it. You know what I didn't do? Yeah, I gave it 2 points. So I'm gonna guess 2 hours. Well, let's see if that's what it actually takes. I think what I'm gonna do is block this out in geometry. Okay. And I'm probably gonna just use couches and yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. Let's go back to my plan. Where do I have it? Where did I download this to? Unreal Projects? Anything else? That's right. Image research. Yeah, let's kind of see what's going on here. Okay, so they've got a kitchen. I think what I'll do first. Oh, this is the garage here. Okay, so we've got a foyer. I'll make a little dining room table, make a little couch here. Let's try that. Gonna drag this down. I will probably. Oh, AI enemy. Let's just drag this down a little bit. I will make a new folder. Whoops. I don't need that there. Okay. New folder will be called Greybox Furniture. And I'm going to go ahead and use geometry. And let's just drag a box out here. And just for kicks, to see that we got our furniture made to the proper size and our house to the proper size, I'm just going to look up a uh, couch from Haverty's size. 3-seat sofa, 80.5 inches, and I think we are using centimeters in Unreal Engine, so inches to centimeters, and we'll say that's 80.5. So we've got 205. This is going to be 205. Hey, that's roughly 205. 205 by 34 inches. So that'll be 85, let's see. And how tall is this couch? $37. Start it. Oh, and 37 inches is, oh, that's roughly the same. Let's just do 37. So that's 94. 94. And then what I'm going to do is, oh, I'll just keep it this way. Okay. Set that to end. And I can rotate that like so. Let me Alt rotate it like so. Move this like so. Drag it here. Okay. Now, when I select the mod house floor, no, I want to select the nav mesh because I just want to give it, I need to update, give it a little bit less space around the objects, and I think I can do that somewhere. Where do I do that? I thought I could do that. Shaded volume, opacity value, that's not it. Thought there was a way to really specify. I know there is. I just don't know where it is. Cooking, mobile ray tracing. I will figure that out later. Okay. I'll make a little coffee table. And I think for the coffee table, I will make this into a square. So how about 100 by 100? And I'm going to make it small and kind of raise it up. Yeah, I prefer it. Here's the nav mesh. Brush settings. Let me go into left mode and just see what's going on there. Yeah, that makes sense. So I just lower this down to that. Is that gonna, yeah, it's gonna free up to go underneath table. You just put this into Greybox furniture so that I can hide that whenever I want. And I've got a little dining room table over here. Now, how big is a dining room table? That's Wayfair. Oh, 120 to 160 centimeters wide. Okay. Let's do 150. 80 centimeters wide. And then And then 75 tall. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna look that up. I know I did this the other day. UE4 nav mesh cell size? Is that what I want? Nav mesh distance from object. Project settings, of course, of course. Project settings. Where are the project settings? Intriguing. Oh. Oh, look at that. Where is my project settings? This is so weird. Is it there? Ah, intriguing. So we're gonna go look up nav mesh engine nav mesh. Okay. So draw offset. Is that what I'm doing? Change that to 5. Nope. Oh no, that's not it at all. Fax, tile size UU, cell size, cell height, agent radius. Is this it? 34, so let's change that to 10. No. Hmm. Can I do that? Does that change anything? No. I want it to be just a little bit closer, so... Hmm. so UA4 nav mesh distance. No. Okay, let me pause this because this is boring. Okay, so I didn't quite figure it out, but that's fine. I will figure it out later. I'm going to make a little couch here. Alright, I'll keep this the way it was. I'm going to edit. Can I actually edit this? Is there an editor? Yeah, I haven't used the editor yet. I don't really see that window. Hmm. 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 Oh well. This will be then a just stupid. A very stupid couch. Let's do the same thing with this one. Drag it out a little bit. Turn it into a subtractive. Squeeze it just a little bit this way. Squeeze it just a little bit this way. Bring it up. Not too much. Not sure why it's going underneath there. It's really weird. Really odd that it's going in there. What if I do that? Okay. Let's go ahead and add a wall to the garage. Set this to 20 units and go to the top. Let's make a duplicate of this, duplicate of this, duplicate of that. Duplicate. It's actually almost 440, so probably 450, probably 460. Alright, that's good enough. Oops, it didn't do the height of it, so the height has to be... Gosh, how tall were those? What is 9 feet? Okay, so 275. Oh, that's not 9 feet. Just about. $100. Raise it up, down. And because this is a garage, we can add that door. Using oh my god. I'm really tired. Subtractive. Make this a little bit. And the sad thing is, I want my little thing to be able to go through there. Okay, we'll pretend that's the door to the garage. Let's just see how this plays. Uh-oh. Why aren't you moving? Oh no. Uh-oh. Hmm. Okay. There's something wrong. On event begin play, get all actors of the thing, set my dispenser to that, do sequence. Let's say print step 0. Goodness, it's hot in here. Step 2 and step 3. Is it because of me doing something stupid with its collision? Hmm. 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 Okay. So my Powie character is not working, and why not? You know what? We'll do this first. Mm-mm. This first, and then that. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Could it be my nav mesh? Did I screw up my nav mesh? Oh my god. Hmm. Hmm. I think I did something wrong. Hmm. Mm-mm. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm? It looks like somehow an autosave. Oh, okay. This is really weird. It saved a map. Powie's Auto 01. Okay, so let's save it. Um, Autosave 01. Really weird that it did that. So if I go to autosave, what? Something is weird here. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on, so I'm gonna duplicate this. And I'm gonna call this Powie's house copy. Okay. Save all. Cancel that. And I'm just gonna close it. And what I want to do is I do not. Ah, I am not going to save the INI because that was the stuff where I screwed around with the nav mesh. So now let's go back, open this again. Because I think I did screw something up. Mm-mm. So the other thing I'm kind of worried about, okay, well, let's see if I can figure something else out. Um, hmm. Well, since I pushed changes, I actually haven't pushed this yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and download this as a zip. And I'm just going to see if what I published last night actually works. And if it works, it'll tell me that the stuff I just did a moment ago screwed up my nav mesh or something. If it doesn't work, that just means that I just messed up. Okay, Powie McCutesie. Okay, so the old one worked from last night, so I have screwed something up just in the 30 minutes that I came in and worked, so I'm going to do something a little bit weird. And you will see what I'm about to do. I made a copy of Powie's house copy. And I'm going to show that in Explorer. And essentially what I'm going to do is copy this UMap to my desktop. And then I'm going to delete it from there. Okay, why would I do that? Because I'm actually going to get rid of everything I did. Yay. Now, none of my changes should show up. Yay. So I'm going to show this in Explorer, double click this. And so what I'm looking at right now should be a working version of the game. Now, all of the changes I made are actually in this copy. Actually, I didn't even have to do what I just did. Oh well. Alright, so there it's working. And again, I don't know what I did different. Okay. Close that. Access none while trying to read a property. Set total trash number. Really? Oh yeah, okay. So I'm going to close this and go back to content, blueprint, third person BP, maps, and just drag this into here. That should be fine. Come back up here, open up the U project, and the map with my furniture should be there. So what I'm going to do is well, you'll see in a second. Okay, here's my stuff with the furniture. And instead of making this all again, let me just go to Powie's house. I'm going to do window, levels, and I'm going to add an existing map, and I'm going to add Powie's house copy. Okay, I'm going to leave it unlocked. Why? Because I have this stuff here, and I can select, let's show wireframe. I can select all of these three things, and I can right click and I can move them I think I can move them to my current level. Oh, well, it turns out I didn't really have to do anything because this actually is working right away anyway. Uh-oh. Where's all my stuff? Okay, so if I set this to... Oh no, where's my stuff? Wait. Oh, yes, of course. This is not the right one. Okay. So if I do... Sorry. I was wrong. We're gonna get rid of this. Okay. Now we're gonna go to Powie House Copy. Don't save. Does this actually work? No, it does not. Dang it. Why doesn't it work? If I copy this and then go to Powie's house. Yep. Okay, so let me just go ahead and come here. Don't save. And let me just select absolutely everything. Everything selected, I think. Control C. Command C, come here, Command B. All right, there it goes. And now I can play. I do need a little bit more space then. I can get around here. I just need 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me play again. And what I might do is, just because now I know that, okay, I've got some stuff in here, I might set up a puzzle. Okay, and if there's trash, maybe there's one piece of trash on now I'm gonna have to think of a puzzle. Okay, and so right now I have some furniture and I made some interior walls, and I think what I'm finding is that it's kind of already really tiny and really cramped, and maybe maybe I just need to make everything smaller. See, one of my worries is the nav mesh isn't going to actually work well with such a small area. I think it's designed to be a little bit bigger. And the last time I tried editing the nav mesh, I kind of broke things. So, do I want to make things kind of bigger than they should be, or do I want to make the, the everything a little bit, or the players a little bit smaller, both my AI and my playable character? But what I do think is that I kind of want to make the first puzzle that I do a way to open the front door. And so that would mean finding a key. Come on, I just want to win. Now I gotta find where the garbages are. I got everything on the outside. And the other thing I could do is, like, I guess I could kill the rat. Oops, 2 more. Where's the other one? There they are. There they are. Got them. But it is a little bit cramped, and like the nav mesh is having a hard time with this corner going through here. So, oh gosh, I'm not sure what I want to do. All right. Well, for now though, I think I did what I wanted to do. I maybe didn't get all of the furniture, but I did a decent job, I think, of seeing that I shouldn't do all the furniture just yet. I'm not quite ready. To start dressing it in real stuff. So let me go ahead and find what I did with this, and I'm gonna call that done for right now. And I think what I might do is maybe just set up my first puzzle. Or you know what? I need to, yeah, set up my first puzzle. So I think in to do, let me go ahead and add an item. And you know what? I'm gonna go to my, let me go to Powie McCutesie, go to my issues. Let me create a new issue. It's going to be called Puzzle 01. I'll say as a player, as a puzzle designer, I want to design a simple puzzle to get out of the front door so that I can play the prototype with, no, so I can analyze my puzzle, no, my game with puzzle. Alright, so I might need to do a few things, right? So one thing I'm going to need to do is remodel walls with a bigger front door. Oh, these are tasks, aren't they? Is that right? Add task list. Yay! Design a key puzzle. Implement key puzzle using blueprints. That's as far as I know, because I haven't designed the puzzle, okay? And then, conditions of satisfaction. While playing prototype, the puzzle must be solved before player is able to leave. Go outside. So regardless of how dumb the puzzle is, right? That's not the point. Just make a puzzle. There we go. I'm going to assign this to myself because I'm the only one. Label, this is probably going to be 3 hours worth. 5 hours, 3 hours. And projects, first playable. Let's submit that bad boy. Cool thing is, if we go to our projects, can I jump to it right now? What is J. Vandemo? Weird. Projects. View to. No status. Put that into do. Okay, I'm going to set up my workflows so that when an item is added to project, enabled to do. Is that right? I hope so. Oh, I know what I should have done. This really should be called something else. Project backlog. And let's drag this over here, and I can actually delete this one. Yeah. Project backlog. Let's rename this to sprint backlog. And we are going to create a new one called daily sprint. And then we'll have done. Oh no, we're going to have to be tested. There we go. And then done. Project backlog is going to have all of the things that are going to be in here. Sprint backlog is what I'm going to be working on in a week. And then daily sprint is what I'm going to be working on like when I come in at night. And then to be tested is when I'm done with it, someone else is going to test it. Well, that's probably going to be me. Okay. Good night.